Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Wish, wish, wish. Woo! Look at the face. The face. Go eat it.
She ate already.
The cake.
Yeah, come on. Oh no.
Woohoo! Mommy's turn. Okay, go. No more. Go, Zahra. Yay! First step, come on.
What
Water?
about this?
What's the first step? All of it.
Ano ba mangyayari dyan yan?
Hindi ko alam. Hey, water. Ah! Zahra! Until here. Till the wave. Okay? Look at the wave. Wave only. Stop. That's over now. Until here. Okay, next, Uncle.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Where's number 3?
Here.
Cut it.
Cut it, cut it.
Put it.
Not it.
No, that. Put it inside.
Put it inside.
Add this to the potion.
Add that to the potion. Okay.
Number 4.
And then number 4.
Add this to the potion.
Okay, number 4.
Zahra.
Wow!
It's coming!
It's go. Okay, number 4.
Oh!
Ah! And finally,
Number 5.
put it inside. Number 5. And then number 6. Let's see. And then what will happen? Push after you turn. Twice. She said twice.
Oh my god, look at the color! It's violet now!
It's violet.
It's red.
Say the magic word. Turn the moon gem until it stops to reveal the magic words.
What is the magic word?
Yeah.
Magic says mix it.
Oh my god!
It revealed. Yeah. What did it say?
A pixie really appeared.
You have to push hard twice. Wait. One more. Yeah. And there it is. But how do you take it out? Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, that's not small.
Whoa!
It's a.
Take it out.
I thought it's tiny thing.
Like a doll?
Yeah. You take it out and show it to. Wow! Show it to me. That's nice. Wow. And this is your and read it.
Scissor.
Mhm.
From Tita Alma family.
Star.
And stars.
And stars? Okay, now read it.
Money.
Money.
$50.
That belongs to mommy.
That's not yours.
Read the message.
Happy birthday, Tita Alma family.
Yay!
It's from Tita Alma.
Mhm.
There is heart.
Thank you.